Miseria di Giaca.
How does a telescope work? Hi guys! Look, what a clear night sky! Have you ever wanted to see the stars and moon up close? Then we need a telescope! Do you know how it works? Let's figure it out. The telescope consists of a tube which is mounted on a tripod stand that can be tilted and turned to look at different areas of the sky. The telescope has an objective. This is the part that is pointing at astronomical objects such as the sun, the moon, the stars, and other celestial bodies. On the other end is the eyepiece, which is what we look into. The word eyepiece is derived from the word eye. Well, shall we look inside the tube? Inside are the most important parts of the telescope, the lenses. If you've ever viewed objects through a magnifying glass, then you already know what a converging lens is. It is a piece of glass with two convex sides, or only one. But the middle part of it is necessarily thicker than the edges. This type of lens is also called a collecting lens because the rays of light going through it gather at one point. This point is called the focus or focal point. With the help of such a lens, you can light a fire if the sun rays collected are focused on a combustible material. This will work even if the lens is made of ice. The simplest telescopes have only two such lenses. One lens is for the objective, and one for the eyepiece. Rays of light coming from the sun, moon, or stars run parallel to each other. They pass first through the primary objective lens and gather in focus. After passing through the focal point, the rays diverge again. Here we need a second lens in the eyepiece so that the rays of light again become parallel. And that parallel beam of light goes into the viewer's eye. As a result, we see an enlarged but inverted image of an astronomical object. But in space, there is neither top nor bottom, so the flip of the image does not interfere with observations. Now let's observe some astronomical objects in the telescope. This is the moon. Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. And this is Venus. It is called the morning star, but in fact, it is a planet. Mars. This planet is easily recognized by its reddish color. Jupiter, the largest planet of the solar system. Jupiter is known for its great red spot. Saturn. It is famous for its rings. Uranus. This planet has a blue-green hue. And the most distant planet is Neptune. It's blue. And here is a comet. Look at its luminous tail. And this is a star cluster. Well guys, now we know how a telescope works and have learned more about several astronomical objects.